Hi guys, today we are cooking outside on an open flame. We've got lamb shanks which are going to be put on the fire, and then on top of that we're going to be making the dombolo. The dombolo is basically steamed bread, to simplify it. It's something that my gran used to make, my mom used to make, and it goes perfectly with the lamb shanks that I'll be showing you. Knead your dough for about 15 minutes maximum. Heat your cauldron or food. Make sure it's very hot on the fire, and then add your butter and all your chopped up veggies, the carrots, onions, the leeks. Cover with the lid and make sure that the onions get soft and translucent. Keep stirring now and then. Tomato puree, add it in. You want the fire to still be hot. Keep stirring. Once your tomato puree has started browning, now you can slowly add your wine. So I coated the lamb shank in flour. The reason is that coating makes sure the shanks are sealed properly. It creates color. It also makes sure your sauce at the very end of your potjie is nice and thick. You don't want a runny potjie at the end of the day. Don't skip that step, it's very important. Now you're going to add in your lamb shanks. Stir them in, make sure they're coated with the mixture that is inside the potjie, and I'll cover the lid. So let it brown about 10 to 15 minutes. Keep checking up on it and keep stirring it. I'm using Woolies organic beef stock. You can also use a vegetable stock. And let it sit for about 45 minutes to an hour. Now to add our dombolo, you want to grab it and then roll it into balls, and then place it directly onto the liquid. About 30 minutes to 45 minutes and we'll be done. Let's have a look at how everything is looking. Perfection. Beautiful soft dombolo, succulent soft lamb shank falling off the bone on a spring day. I mean, I don't think there's anything more perfect than this. This is lunchtime today. Beautiful. I hope you tried it at home.